Hello, crafty friends. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Yana Smakula, and I'm excited to share day 6 of the Craft-o-Ween, 13 days of Craft-o-Ween Advent Calendar box from Spellbinders. If you have missed the previous days, I do have video tutorials featuring day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and day 5. This one's super creepy. Today we're going to look at day 6, open the goodies that are inside the box, and hopefully make a card. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Do hit the notification bell and like and comment this video. Okay, are you guys ready? Let's go ahead and open the box. Take a look at day 6. Maybe I get rid of this. Okay, so day 6. Oh, by the way, that is so pretty. I really love the designs on these pouches. Very creative. And you can use these pouches as well. You can probably use them, for something. Maybe reuse them to make your own Halloween advent calendar. I don't know. These are fun. Okay, let's go ahead and open this. Day 6. Are you guys ready? Ta-da! Ooh, ooh. Oh, wow, that is so adorable. I love the little skeleton and even the broom and this little thing with, the potion spilling out. So cute. Have a bone-rattling Halloween. Love it. Okay, I'm going to pause the video, make my card, and I'll be back to share all the good stuff. So here's a look at the finished card featuring day 6. I love this adorable skeleton. I changed up the colors a little bit from the colorization that we have here. By the way, I really love that colorization is included with each die set because that makes it a lot easier to, first of all, understand what this die set is, what it makes, and helps to come up with color combos and color combinations. Because, once you see how something can be made, at least for me, that's easier. Once I see the way something can be assembled and put together and what colors can be used for it, it's a lot easier for me to decide to switch colors, to go to a different color combination, if you will. So for this card, I use the lilac color for the background. I've not used this color before. Love it. Once again, I used brushed black for the body of the skeleton. And I also used regular white. Now, the yellow here is done using saffron, and I added a little bit of ink blending using, let me check, the Alt New Honey Drizzle ink. So that's for the shading on the hat, on the cauldron, and on the broom. I also brought in a stamp set or a die set from my stash to die cut the little heart. The die set that I used, I think it is discontinued. It was this one. So the S2351, it was the add-on for the mailbox die, all discontinued, unfortunately, but it's just a little heart, and I'm sure you can find a little heart die in your stash. I am going to use glossy accents and coat the heart with a glossy accent so that it's a little bit, shiny and glossy, and I just love that. Love that. Such a cute die set. So that's the color combination. We have lilac, saffron, and a touch of poppy. So I hope you enjoyed a look at day 6. Here's the heart coated with glossy accents, by the way. Love it. Thank you for joining me today. I appreciate you spending time with me today, and hopefully I'll be back tomorrow with day 7.